Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here, and with this video lecture, we would be starting with a very fresh topic of geography, that is climate. Up till now, whatever topics we have studied in geography, be it India's size or location in chapter 1 or physical features of India or drainage, all these are the physical aspects of geography. All these are physical features and those features are visible to us. Now, these all features are influenced by climate. Now, what is climate? That is what this chapter is all about. What is climate? How is it different from weather? Yes, climate and weather are different things. How are they different? We will get to know. So, the significance of this chapter, we will get to know about Earth's movement and how it leads to daylight and night, how Earth's movement leads to change in seasons, summer season, rainy season, winter season. These are all basic concepts. The Earth's movement, it leads to day and night, it further leads to seasons as well. But how does this movement impacts the climate of a place? We will get to know about it in detail in this chapter. So the topics that we would cover in this chapter are, first of all, we will get to know about the difference between weather and climate. Now, once we know what is climate, we will try to know what is India's climate. It is monsoon type of climate. Now, there are various factors that affect the climate of a place. We will get to know about those factors such as latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, relief features. We will study each one of them in detail. How does latitude or how does altitude affect the climate of a place? We will study it in detail. Now, once we have studied these chapters, these topics individually, we will get to know how these factors are affecting India's climate. We will see it in a practical way. We will try to apply these factors and try to relate it with India's climate. Further, what is the work of pressure and wind in India's climate? We will get to know the concept of jet stream, western cyclonic disturbances, and further, we will study the Indian monsoon in detail. We will study the concept of El Nino and its relation with Indian monsoon as well. Further, we will study about the onset of monsoon and its withdrawal, arrival of monsoon, and when it retreats. Further, these are very simple topics: the seasons, the cold weather season, hot weather season, advancing and retreating monsoon, and then distribution of rainfall. All the regions in India do not get equal amount of precipitation. If a place like Meghalaya receives 400 centimeter of rainfall, there are places like Ladakh which receive even less than 10 centimeter of rainfall. So why does that difference occur? We will get to know. And further, the last topic would be monsoon as a unifying bond. Since it is a separate topic in book, we will study it separately. And all the topics are interrelated. So we will clear our concepts by studying each topic in detail, and it is a pretty interesting chapter as we'll proceed. So that's it for today. We will study about the difference of weather and climate in the next video. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.